Are you looking to leverage AI to automate tasks, grow your business, or create new income streams? Creating effective AI agents has typically required coding skills, technical knowledge, and hours of development time most people give up before they even start. That's why I'm excited to share BuildMyAgent.io, an AI agent platform that makes building powerful AI agents simple, even if you have zero coding experience. Key features with BuildMyAgent.io. You can build AI agents that perform real-world tasks. Connect with Instagram, Messenger, SMS, and more. Find businesses that need your AI solutions. Save hours every week with streamlined development. Users are already seeing amazing results. First time seeing that AI can be so simple to build. David L. The founders care about the people who use it and are always looking for ways to improve. Aaron P. Ready to start building AI agents that actually work. Visit the link in the description to get started today. Don't miss out on the AI revolution. Click the link now and transform how you work with artificial intelligence.